So
How long has it been since you've been on your job now?
I just did orientation. So today was the first time to see the softwares that they use.
So you just got your offer. Well, how long ago did you get your offer?
It took me like 4 steps, like 4 interviews for me to get the offer.
Okay, 4 interviews, you nailed the job. What's your job role? What do you do?
Yeah, I'll be working as a data analyst with a background of accounting and finance. So I'm ready to hop in and do the work.
All right, so what did you do before Colaberry?
So I joined, I did a bachelor in finance. I did a double major for accounting and finance in the University of Texas in Arlington. And I graduated in 2016. I worked in different multiple companies. I worked in Boeing company. I worked in another for XPO Transportation. And then I worked in another called Leodale, is another transportation company. So I have a background for accounting.
Okay, so you have an accounting background.
Yeah, so I joined the school in 2020, April. I did a little bit, when I joined the school, I was like, oh my God, when I did the SQL, part of the SQL, I was like, okay, I don't know how this is gonna work, but I was ready to try something new. I did the first classes were SQL, then we did SSIS, I believe. And then when we clicked on SSRS, my mind started like opening and I was like, I was getting stuck inside. So, and then Power BI. Though I didn't like start on 2020 April. I kind of did not finish. So I went back last year and then I finished in November last year, and now I'm placed.
Awesome. Did you have a baby?
Yes, and I had a baby. And I remember earlier when I was doing those homework, sometimes I check the email to see whether you approved my, my assignments. And I see you say, oh, go to the dashboard and do this. It's not a very easy, easy school. What I can tell you, if you're a parent, you are here. And even if you're single, I believe you're working and you have bills to pay. But what I can like to tell you is just be dedicated. Because others are doing it. I was like, if others are doing it, why not me? So I was ready to learn new stuff. I was just looking at, I want to keep my family at the best level I can, raise my kids and take them to places where I can, I can be able to take them with no problem money-wise, because right now I'll be working from home. So I'm able to manage my time. I can be able to drop my kids to school, come back home. If I have another errand, I can go for a walk. So what I can really advise everyone who is joining the school is doable. It's doable, and I believe everybody, if you just manage your time and know you are here just to learn this school for a short time, you can sacrifice. There are other things you can put aside and prioritize to do the schoolwork first.
Awesome. So how confident are you? I know you're just getting started with your job. How confident are you that you're going to be able to do your job well?
I feel confident because Colaberry is just like the way you teach a baby how to walk. If you don't put the baby to the walker, of course, even if the walker gonna teach the baby how to put little steps, at some point the baby gonna walk, or try to maneuver in different directions on their own. So Colaberry has taught me a lot of stuff in IT side, and also how to be confident myself, how to communicate in a very professional way. And I believe with the skills and potentials that I have received and I have gained from Colaberry, I'm very confident I'll be able to maneuver myself in the job that I have received. For this school, we are here to help each other. So don't feel like you're alone. And don't feel shy to ask any questions. You better ask a question. Somebody to see you like you don't know, but at least you have an idea, rather than wasting time.
Well, we appreciate you, Lean, for coming through and giving us your feedback. And you definitely welcome to come back anytime.
You're very welcome, Ali. And I really appreciate it. I'm very thankful for everything you did to me.
All right. That's what we do. My pleasure.